Okay, we're still here in the Partner Pavilion. I'm in the VisionApp booth. So I'm here with Mr. Rick Dehlinger. Many of you may know Rick. Rick is one of our Citrix technology professionals, and Rick is now working with VisionApp. So Rick, introduce yourself and kind of give us your history.
Hey, Barry. Well, obviously my name is Rick Dehlinger. I've been around the industry for quite a while. I actually go back into the early days of the Citrix partners back with and actually even cut my Windows server teeth, oddly enough, on WinFrame. So actually in '99 I went to work for Citrix, spent about 6 years at Citrix as an SE. Very heavily involved in the industry, did installation tuning kit stock. It was pretty widely distributed. Project Columbia, Willamette, a couple other things like that. A couple years ago, I left Citrix, did a real short stint at Microsoft, and then started up my own company. And the goal of the company that we were starting up, was called iCurious, was we were bringing some kind of bleeding edge, innovative ideas around highly consistent, highly reproducible systems in the market. And we've recently announced that we've been acquired by VisionApp.
All right, so you're with VisionApp now. So the first question I'm asking every partner is, if I'm a customer, what's important about VisionApp? Why should I care?
Well, one of the big challenges, you hear everybody talking in IT these days about trying to decouple their infrastructure, make it more dynamic, make it so it can change and roll and flex with the evolutions that we've got in technology. And that's been a soapbox issue of mine for probably at least 8 years now. One of the main reasons that I decided to make the investments that I've made over the last couple of years in VisionApp is that their technologies are very, very powerful in their ability to decouple different components of the systems that we build and maintain on our back end for customers. Decouple them in such a way that makes it much simpler for the different technology components inside of it to evolve and change at the speed of technology. Since our industry is so young, it's evolving so dramatically fast, it's my personal opinion that any system that's built monolithically, in other words, it's built so all the systems are very tightly coupled together and bound together, that's a major disservice because it won't be able to keep up with the change that we're facing in our industry.
So you break the tight couplings, and the advantage is much more flexibility and agility in IT.
Correct. So when I build a system for a customer, my systems have change and the ability to change. That's one of the core design tenets of a system when I build it. And so VisionApp has two primary technologies that come into play there. The first technology is the server management component, VisionApp server management. And what server management does is it takes the stack of software and that goes on all the servers that make up the systems in the back end, breaks those stacks up into reproducible component objects or packages. And those packages then are generic because the settings are stripped out of them, and it allows me to reuse those packages anywhere I go across any system that I build. So besides the reusability of the packages, it strips the settings out of the packages and makes them available visibly in settings templates. So once they're visible in settings templates, it makes it really, really easy to reproduce a given system to an exact specification.
Okay, so can we see a demo?
You know what? All the demos are in German keyboards.
Okay, so all right. So where can a customer go for more information?
Well, the VisionApp website is definitely a good place to start for more information.
So is that VisionApp.com?
VisionApp.com.
And can they get a free evaluation?
Absolutely.
All right.
Download and request for evaluation.
All right, so we'll see you tonight at GeekSpeak Live and GeekSpeak Barcamp. All right, thank you.